Sa ibang balita, inaalam na ng Philippine Electricity Market Corporation kung magkano ang dapat ibawas sa presyo ng singil sa kuryente noong nakaraang Nobyembre at Disyembre market. Kasunod nito, inimbestigahan na rin ng otoridad kung sino ang dapat managot sa mataas na presyuhan. Narito ang ulat ni George Bandola.
Nangako ang Philippine Electricity Market Corporation na ayusin ito at magkakaroon ng recalculation sa halaga ng kuryenteng ipinatong sa mga consumer noong November to December 2013. Nagsabi kasi ang Energy Regulatory Commission na sobrang siningil ng mga ito ng halos 70%.
This is a substantial reduction. This would translate to lower WESM costs for distribution utilities that purchased from WESM in November and December, and that will include Meralco.
Based on the directive, we will abide. So, kung sabi, we need to recompute, then we will do it. And in fact, based on the order, they even define the parameters. Diba? So, meaning, ito yung formula, so we cannot deviate from that. We will abide, we will comply.
Sabi ng PEMC, gagawa rin daw ito ng investigasyon para malaman kung sinong nagkamali sa kwentada. Giit ng ERC, nagkaroon daw ng failure at collusion o sabwatan sa pagitan ng mga power producers habang ginagawa ang malampaya.
Market failure happens when there is inefficient allocation of resources. And based on what happened in November and December in WESM, during the time when there was the Malampaya shutdown, it happened that there were several plants also on forced outages and also some on scheduled outages. But then there are also some plants that we discovered in the investigation that were not on outage but they did not offer their full capacity in violation of the requirement in WESM that all generators should offer their available capacity in full to the market. So all this put upward pressure on the prices and such that we cannot anymore consider these prices as rational or competitive.
I don't think so because all of them, the regulators, the policy-making body, including the PEMC, which is actually a entity, are working together just to be able to their responsibility, which is to protect the consumers and at the same time, of course, the investors' protection also.
Pagtitiyak naman ng Meralco, agad itong ibabalik ang halaga ng kuryente na maaaring sobrang nasingil sa mga consumer oras na matapos ang recalculation ng PEMC. Paliwanag nito, nagtataas sila ng halaga ng singil o nagbababa depende sa presyong ipinapasa sa kanila ng mga pinagkukunan ng kuryente.
Well, what is evident in all of this, George, is that now people have an understanding on the power supply chain that this is really a generation cost. That this does not go to Meralco, and nothing is kept by Meralco. This is a totally pass-through charge, and they bill us based on the invoice that is sent to us. The cost component that stays with Meralco is the distribution charge, and the distribution charge has not changed since July 2013.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, George Bandola.